how to use PickU without watermark. Tired of that little PickU watermark ruining your perfect photo? Let's remove it. Here's how to remove it. Open PickU app and edit your photo like usual. Add your cutouts, filters, backgrounds, anything you want. Once you are done, tap save. You will see your photo ready to save, but wait, that watermark sitting there in the corner. Tap on the watermark area or look for the option that says remove watermark or no watermark. Now you have two options, that one image or upgrade to PickU Pro, unlock watermark-free saves forever, plus premium filters and tools. I will go with no watermark. Once you have removed the watermark, your photo will save automatically and boom, now your photo is clean and ready to post. And that's it. No watermark, no problem. If this helped, give the like and subscribe for more fast PickU hacks and tutorials. Catch you in the next one.